Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone! Welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Baby Bottle from Cuphead. Before we get started, please feel free to like and comment and subscribe and all that good stuff. It really helps out the channel a lot and I really appreciate it. Alright, so to draw Baby Bottle, I'm going to take a black marker and I'm going to start with Baby Bottle's eyes. So they're almost like full ovals, but they're missing like a little chunk out of them, almost like a little pizza slice they're missing. So you would go to draw your oval, and then you'd leave out like a little triangle. And then we're gonna do another eye, and we're gonna do it the same way. And we're going to give it a little circle nose, and we can color in the insides of these eyes dark. Now if you want to wait until the end to do any coloring, that's up to you. You totally can, but I'm just going to color in the eyes now. Alright, so next thing I'm going to do is give Baby Bottle eyebrows. So just upside down U shapes on top of the eyes. And now we're gonna give them a little smile. So we're gonna do a line like that and a little curve like that, kind of like a C. And he's got one little tooth. And we're gonna do a little line under that tooth like that. Alright, so Baby Bottle, we're going to do the side of the face. I'm going to come on down like that. And on the other side, I'm going to come on down like that too. And we're going to come down here and then come on up. So this is going to be the collar of Baby Bottle's outfit. And let's do the top of the head here. So we did a little line here, and then we're going to do one in between the eyebrows and bring it on out there, and we're going to do a curve right here, and same on the other side. And up top here we're going to make it kind of rounded, same on this other side. And now we're going to do almost like the shape of Mickey Mouse's nose, actually. Almost like the shape of an upside down raindrop. Like that. It's a bit of a silly shape. And now down here on the neck collar here, we've got a pile of shapes like this. So they're just U shapes. So you can do a pile of those all the way along. And now we're going to have a line here and another line there. And a curve like this. This is going to be an arm, by the way. And we're going to do the same for the other arm. So the hands, we're going to have a little line like this, and we're going to have 1, 2, 3 fingers and 1 thumb, like that. And the gloves have little marks like that on them. And we're going to do the same over on this side. So we've got a thumb there, and then 1, 2, 3 fingers, and a little line there, and 1, 2, 3 little marks on the gloves. And now let's do the rest of the body. So let's come on down right here, and a little curve like this. And we're going to do kind of another little curve like that. And right here is where the foot would be. And we're going to have a little bit of fabric kind of spilling out onto the floor. And a line right here. A little bump there. And then another little bump. That's going to be the knee and a foot. Okay, and I'm just going to put another little line there, and we got another little line right there. And we are done our drawing, but it's time to add some color. Alright everyone, we are finished our picture of Baby Bottle. Let me know how you think he turned out. I think he turned out pretty cute. Thank you so much for drawing with me today, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Alright everyone, goodbye!